The Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum delivers a powerful cleaning performance thanks to its ultra-strong 5,000 pass suction, which effectively removes hair, crumbs, and dust in just one pass. Equipped with iPath laser navigation, the Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum uses advanced Lidar technology for precision mapping, ensuring efficient cleaning routes around your home. With the ability to climb up to 20 millimeters, the Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum easily overcomes thresholds and carpet edges without getting stuck, providing extended cleaning coverage. The Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum features BoostIQ Technology for intelligent suction control, which automatically increases suction power when needed, ensuring maximum cleaning efficiency on all types of surfaces. With AI.Map 2.0, the Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum allows for specific room selection, no-go zone setup, and multi-floor mapping, offering a personalized cleaning experience right from the app. With a review score of 4.3 and over 12,000 reviews, the Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum is a highly rated and trusted product for deep floor cleaning.